Maddie. So I am so excited to be sharing with you today's video. Today is my 2018 fall home tour, and for those of you that are new to my channel, if you haven't been following along in our journey, we have been renting since we got married, and then about a year and a half ago we moved into my parents' house. That way we could save money to buy a house. It took us about just over a year to find a house and buy a house, and now we are in that house, and so I was so excited. This year is my favorite year, of course, to have decorated, because one, it's our house, and I was able to really make things my own this year, and I just really like how everything came together. So I can't wait to show you guys. So grab some popcorn or a cup of coffee, whatever you enjoy while watching these videos, and enjoy my 2018 fall home tour. Is my entryway table. This garland is from the Hearth and Hand line from Target. And then I have a bunch of pumpkins from either Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or the Target Dollar Spot. Some of them I owned from years past, and some I picked up this year. Then on the bottom shelf, I have the jar with the copper handle and eucalyptus that were from Target Dollar Spot last year. A couple of the pumpkins are from Target Dollar Spot, and then some are from Hobby Lobby. And then this lantern here is from Antique Farmhouse. And then the table my dad and Chris actually built for me, and I love it. I was so excited to decorate it this year for fall. At my entryway, I also have this window that I picked up at an antique shop with a magnolia wreath. And then I have this chair that was actually Chris's grandfather's, and then I just have a pillow that I picked up a couple years ago from Big Lots. Front door, we have this shelf that my aunt gave me a couple years ago, and I just have a Hello Fall sign from Magnolia, a pumpkin I've had for years, and then this little tea holder or tea light candle holder that I thrifted a couple years ago with some eucalyptus. Did a decorate with me video of this space. This is one of my favorite spaces in the house. I loved how it came out for fall. Definitely go check out that video to see all the details of where everything is from. Something that did change is the wreath on the little shutter. I actually made that recently, and I will have a DIY tutorial on how I made that wreath coming up on my channel this week. So definitely make sure you hit that red subscribe button. That way you know when that video comes out. That way you can see how I made the wreath. In this area, I have a tin from Target Dollar Spot from several years ago. I also have some straw that I thrifted a couple years back. Then that like little bird feeder long thing is from Hobby Lobby, and I just put some Target Dollar Spot pumpkins from a couple years ago, some cotton picks, and then some acorns from Michael's a couple years ago. That Fall in Love little easel is from Michael's this year. To that cube organizer, we have our main living room space. We have a blanket ladder that I made with my dad a couple years ago with some neutral blankets, and a give thanks pillow that was from the Dollar Spot a couple years back. And then I have just some like weave baskets from Target a couple years back. Then that pumpkin sign is from Home Goods a couple years ago. And then I just have some buffalo check and a white pumpkin from Hobby Lobby. And then the other side, I just have a lantern with a faux birch candle, and a diffuser, an Eden's Garden diffuser. On our couch, couch, I have a pillow from HomeGoods. Then the buffalo check pillow cover is from Amazon. And then the small pumpkin pillow is from Target Dollar Spot this year. The Hello Fall pillow is from Kirkland's this year. Then I have another little pumpkin pillow from Target Dollar Spot a couple years ago, and then the same pillow cover and pillows from Amazon. Then I have this pumpkin that is from Target a couple years ago. Then this sweet print is from my friend Stephanie over at Basil Chic. She actually sent me some prints, and she has an awesome Etsy shop where she sells them. So definitely make sure you check it out. I will leave it linked in the description box, but I feel like it's the perfect touch in my living room with all the blacks and whites and puffs of orange. I feel like it really adds to the space. Then this is my coffee table. I love how this turned out. This is one of my favorite decorations. I just have a magnolia basket with some lamb's ear. I put some eucalyptus and cotton stems and a bunch of buffalo check pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. The little gather sign I made with wood letters from Target Dollar Spot. The pictures from IKEA. And I just bought some florals from Michael's and put them in there with like a pumpkin pick and a cotton stem pick. Now we are in my dining room. I love how my table centerpiece turned out this year. I feel like it kind of symbolized everything I wanted for my decor. I have the bottom runner that is from the Hearth and Hand. I found it 75% off. It was from their summer line. Then I have a buffalo check table runner from Hobby Lobby. The dough bowl is from an antique shop that I got in Georgia. Then I just have a mesh of like eucalyptus, lamb's ear, some other greenery from Michael's a couple years back. The pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby, Target Dollar Spot, and Michael's as well. Make sure when you are done watching this video, you let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite area. I would love to hear which areas you like to see me decorate and you like to see in more detail. Next up is my coffee bar. I love decorating this space for every season, so much so that I did do a decorate with me for this space. So definitely make sure you go check out that video. That way you can see all the details of how I decorated everything. The only thing that has changed since I did that video was I did end up adding a towel. I totally forgot I had bought a towel for this space, and I still had it in the bag, so I pulled it out and I feel like it really tied this space together. The towel is actually from the Hearth and Hand line at Target, and I just love the green tones it has that I wanted this year for some of my fall decor. A kids homeschool space. I'm going to be doing a video more in depth talking about some fall books we love and a fall basket, so definitely be on the lookout for that. But I just changed out the books to some fall related books, wrote Happy Fall on the chalkboard sign, and then I have a little banner from the Target Dollar Spot. I kept it pretty simple in the kitchen. I have this chicken wire pumpkin from Target a couple years ago, this thankful sign from the Dollar Spot a couple years ago, this pumpkin warmer that Chris got me, I believe from Yankee Candle a couple years ago, but they carry similar items, and it's actually one of my favorite warmers. Then I just have this Happy Pumpkin Spice season, and I thought it was so appropriate to put it next to my KitchenAid, so I can make some like pumpkin bread or something. Then I just have a standalone pumpkin on my stand for washing dishes. Kept it pretty neutral. And And then here I just have a white picture from Magnolia Market with a bunch of greenery. I definitely incorporated lots of greeneries throughout the house with my fall decor. I really like how it brings a look together. The candle I got on clearance. The florals, by the way, are all from Michael's. And then that little pumpkin is from Kirkland's. I thought it was like the icing on the cake. So I hope you enjoyed this fall home tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure you are subscribed to see more fall videos. Even though I share my fall home tour, there are going to be more fall videos. And then after that, it's Christmas. Thank you for watching. Bye.